Good morning, guys, wherever you are. This is an early morning right here at in Durban, and this is South Beach. So guys, I'm just gonna give you a tour around the beach early in the morning. Not so many people are around here, but I just want you to get the feeling, the environment, and it's a little bit chill. So just walk with me. I won't be saying that much. I just want you to enjoy the environment as for this time of the morning. We'll be doing more vlogs of the beach different times, but just want to us to do this early in the morning as it is. Maybe I would also just take a little bit of some exercise around here. Maybe run a little bit or not. So I just want to show you some of the facilities that is around here. That is a swimming pool there, especially the kids. They are the ones who usually swim here. And as an early morning, people usually come to just take a walk, a jog. And you can imagine at this time, point and view, you'll be surprised that there are already people here at the beach and enjoying the water. Hi. So that's that building, that tall one is its garden court. That side there is McDonald's. Most of these buildings here, they're all hotels that when you're around you can just book yourself, find it online, and then you book yourself a hotel, then you can come and enjoy the beach. So early morning as it is, guys, as you can just imagine, already people are here. Wow. As early as it is, where they come and enjoy. You can see people already there at the beach. But I just wanted to give you the side of it. Just walk with me. And you see the sun is not even up yet. Still down there. And this is the shower portion, where after having your sea bath. This is a restaurant right here. You can see people are already taking a walk, some exercises that you can do around here. Others, they are running. Look at her. How amazing. How amazing. I'll be also taking my own exercises early this morning. So after this vlog, I'm looking forward to be taking an exercise, and then I'll go back to the hotel room. Alright, let's go up here. Let's just go take a walk from this other side, and then we'll see which is which from that side. Come with me. This is one of the non-busy streets, guys, right here. This one here, this is one of the busy streets. What's the name of this street? I wanna get to know it. I wanna find out right now. So coming here, I use this this mode of transport. I use this intercab. That's how I came here. But I just want to show you something. I need to find out the name of this street going down there. Let's find it out, guys. So okay, so this one is actually Dr. Pixley Kaseme Street, and that's the road that takes you down there. Right, so come with me for a while. It's a different vlog because we are doing this vlog early in the morning, guys. It's around 6 o'clock, 6:30, if I'm not mistaken. The sun is not even up. It's not even up as yet, but you can see people are already enjoying themselves. So this is gonna be our first vlog here in Durban since me coming here. Depending when I'm gonna be posting this video, but I just came in early this morning and I decided to give you this one, guys, because I also need to take some exercises here at the beach and prepare some vlogs for you at later. So I hope you will keep on watching the channel to see more nice vlogs that will be coming about Durban. So let me know if you'll be watching this video. Let me know some areas that you think possible that I could do. If I can, I'll try my best to go visit those areas. And guys, try to give me places that are not dangerous. I don't want to risk that much. Just give me good places. There are good places here in Durban. Durban is such a beautiful place, guys. I can tell you, Durban is such a beautiful place. Not dangerous. What people they always say. No, I bet to differ on that. Beg to differ on that. Durban is a place that you can, if people could be like this early in the morning, as you can see at this time, at a given moment. Look there, guys, you can see people right there already on the beach having a sea bath at this moment, as early as this. Wow, this is crazy. So you could actually go and go and go with the beach all the way down there. And what do you see? It just amazes you. You would see the same people running, jogging, like that. Isn't this amazing, guys? This is super amazing. Super amazing. Look at that. Look at that. What interests me if I look at that portion there? Wow. Wow, wow. So guys, yeah, I think I'll be seeing you in the next one. You take care. I'll be doing a lot here in Durban, so just keep on watching on this channel, and then I think you will be seeing good vlogs coming on. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. It's Walk Africa. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.